Good morning everyone. We have already finished exercise 1C. So today we are going to do exercise 1E, question number 1. Okay. So for that we have to know about the rational number and irrational number. You know that number has been divided into fraction number into two. Rational number and irrational number. Okay. So what is rational number and what is irrational number? You already knows. Rational number A is what? Any number which can be written in the form of P by Q. What about irrational number? Irrational number means any number which cannot be written in the form of P by Q. Okay, so let us know now under this rational number we have two types, terminating and non-terminating. So let us try to understand which one will be terminating and which one will be non-terminating. Okay, suppose you have one question here, 5 by 8. Okay, and question may come. Okay. Find out whether this fraction is terminating or non-terminating. Okay, given. So how to find? So for that you have to do the prime factorization of the denominator. So do the prime factorization of denominator. So you will be getting yes. What you will be getting? 8 will be what? 8 will be 2 into 2 into 2, right? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Or what you can write? 2 power 3, right? So see here we got 2. So in class 9 we have studied any number which can be written in the form of 2 into 5 is called terminating. Okay, if it can be written in this form 2 into 5, it's called terminating. If only 2 is also there, we will call it terminating. If 5 is also there, if only 5, we will call it terminating. But if any extra number except 2 and 5, we will call it non-terminating. Extra number, if we have except these two number, we have any extra number, we will call that fraction non-terminating. But in class 10, little bit different. What we have to study, any number which is in the form of what? Denominator will be form of 2 power m and 5 power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. Means this power m, value of m and n cannot be negative. It should have, suppose m 2 power m may be 4, but you cannot have 5 if minus 4, otherwise it will be what? Non-terminating. Okay, for terminating, power must have positive value. Now let us solve question number 1. Okay, we will try to solve. I hope you are clear. We will try to solve each and every question from here. So now read question number 1. If a by b is a rational number where b not equal to 0, see, a by b not equal to 0 means what? It is a rational number. And b not equal to, we have what? In p by q, where q not equal to 0 means they are talking about rational number, and they are asking what is the condition on b so that the decimal representation of a by b is terminating. So I have already told you 2 power a, 5 power n. What you write? Condition of b, or you can directly write b equal to what? We should have 2 power m into 5 power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. Try to understand the meaning of this non-negative. Non-negative means what? Positive. Okay, they don't want any negative value here, only positive. If this power is positive, then only it will have what? Terminating, otherwise non-terminating. So I hope clear. This is the answer for question number 1. Okay, you will write here condition of b should be, or b equal to 2 power m into 5 power m, where m and n are non-negative integers. Let us try question number 2. It's exactly similar. So first time you are getting answer is shorter and question longer, right? In this chapter, you will get this type of question. Okay, answer will be very short. So now question number 2. Here we have 3, 4, 3, then 2 into 7 into 5 power 2. Okay, so now let us see, let us solve this one. Read the question. It is correct to say that number 343 divided by 2 into 7 into 5 power 2 has non-terminating repeating decimal. Means they are saying, yes, we are correct if we will say this number is non-terminating decimal. So you already know, for terminating decimal, what we have? We always have 2 power m into 5 power n. But for non-terminating, we have what? 2 power m into 5 power n, and extra number also here we may have. Extra number or extra thing. This is not means just for concept I am writing this one. Extra number, if you will see other number except 2, 5, you will say non-terminating. So let us see. This is the hints. Okay, for non-terminating you may have extra number other than 2, 5. Okay, so let us see here. By looking this question, you will, if you will see that yes, it is a what? It is non-terminating. Why? Because 7 is extra number. But you have to simplify this first. Let us simplify. So anything you can cancel from here. 2 and this one we cannot cancel. But 7, let us try with 7. 1 just 7. Then 7, how many times it will go? 7 4 ja? Yes, 28. Right? 7 5 ja 35. So 7 4 ja 28. Then 34 minus 28 6 and 3. 7 9 ja 63. So next step what we are getting? 49 2 into 5 power 2. See what we got? 2 nothing power means what? 1. 5 power 2. So what you will write here? Here denominator is in the form of what? Form of 2 power m into 5 power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. So see here, denominator is becoming this form. So what will be answer? Terminating. We cannot say that it is non-terminating. So yes, what we write? Given, therefore the given number is what? Given number is terminating decimal expansion. Okay, how? Yes, how we will say that? Because its denominator, after simplifying, we are getting 2 power m, 5 power n. See 2 and 5 only here. So now a question, let us read again question. They are asking, if this fraction is in the it is correct to say that this number, given number, is non-terminating decimal expansion. So what will be your conclusion? You can write the given number is terminating decimal expansion, or you can write what? No, it is incorrect to say that given number is non-terminating decimal. Why? Because in the simplified state we are getting what? Terminating decimal expansion. So this question, it's 1 mark, so try to understand nicely. You will not get so much time to solve. Directly also you can write. Okay, cancel, write this and directly give the conclusion. So now we will move to question number 3. Also it's same, based on same, yes, same concept. Question number 3, 1. Okay, here we have subdivision 3. We will take first 1. What is number 1? 1, 2, 1, 2, 5 divided by what? Divided by 44. Now again what he will do? First he will try to cancel, but he will not able to cancel. Okay. So next take the denominator. Here denominator. First let us do the prime factorization of denominator 44. What you will write? 2, 11. Then again it will not go. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Then 11 1s are 11. So what we are getting next steps here? 1, 2, 5, then 44. At place of 44, what we can write? 2 into 2 into 11. Or you can write what? 2 into 2 means what? 2 power 2 into 2 power 2 you will write down, then into what? 11 into 1 will be 11. So see here we are getting 2 but extra number 11. So what you will write here? Denominator is not in the form of 2 power m and 5 power n. Why we are saying that 2 power m, 5 power n? Yes, see this why it's not in the form? Because of this 11 extra number. Okay, if we have 2 only also you will say yes, terminating, but because of this extra if we have extra number like 11, 7, 15, then we will call non-terminating. Only 2, if 2, 5 is here, then it will be terminating. So we are writing that here denominator is not in the form of 2 power m and 5 power n. Okay, so then what we will write? Therefore 1 to 5 by 44 is what? Is what? Non-terminating decimal. Okay, non-terminating decimal expansion. You can write same like your question. What they are the non-terminating decimal expansion. Okay. So now we will try next question. Miss B2 from here. Okay, we will do question number 2 from here. Let us try. This is 1 mark question, so try to understand. So 2 will be here. 2. We have 23 by 8. So again same method. Try to understand here. 23. Then 8, what we can write? 2 into 2 into 2, yes or no? 8 will be what? 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2 power what? 2, let us write 2 into 2 into 2. Then here we can also write that 23 2 power 3 into 1 also we can write, yes. So we write 1. 23, next step we can write 2 power 3 into. You know that anything power 0 it means what? 1. So at place of 1 what you can write? 5 power 0. 5, since 5 power 0 will be what? 1. So at place of 1 we are putting 5 power 0. And why we are writing 1? Because if you multiply any number with 1 you get same number. So it's correct, right? So at place of 1 I am writing 5 power 0. Now you see that is only you are getting 2 and 5. So you know by looking this terminating decimal it's always have 2 and 5. No extra number. So what will give the conclusion here? Denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Therefore, where you can mention, okay, where m and n are non-negative integers, negative integers. Now why non-negative integers? Because see, power is, there is no minus sign, so non-negative integer. Therefore, what will be your conclusion? Terminating, right? So you write therefore you can write that question 23/8 is terminating. Yes or no? Terminating decimal expansion. So now in this question number 3 is also there, so that will be your homework. Question number 3 number 3 will be your homework. Now we will try question number 4 1. Okay, it's this question also, it's exactly same. Okay, so try to know the same concept. If 2 power m into 5 power n, you will be writing terminating decimal expansion. But if we have that extra number other than 2 5, you will write non-terminating decimal. Okay, so let us try now question number 4. Question number 4 1 3 power 8 3 by 8. Now what they are asking, write down the decimal expansion of the following rational number by writing their denominator in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. First we have to write in this form, and then we have to change into decimal. How to change? We will write down here. See, 3 8, what we can write? We can write 2 power 3, right? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so 2 power 3, and you can multiply here with 1. Anything multiply with 1, you will get same number, right? So we can multiply with 1. Next step, what you write? 3 2 power 3, at place of 1, what you can put here? Yes, you can put 5 power 0, because you need this form. No, they are asking to write in this form, 2 power m 5 power n. So at place of 1, 5 power 0. You can write 3 power 0, but no, we need this form. That's why 5 power 0. So yeah, I'm just for writing here, since 5 power 0 is what? 1. So that's why at place of 1, 5 power 0. Now we got that form. Now change into decimal. Very complicated from here. So you know that if you will divide these directly also, you will get your answer, right? So take the question and divide. You will write 3 divided by 8. So you will be writing here 3 and divide with 8. How many times it will go? First 0 times, do with 0, 8 0 ja 0, you will get what? 3. Next, you see again a small point. If you, after putting point, what you are getting? You are getting the 1 0. Okay, so how many times now? 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. We got here 24. Then 30 minus 24, you got 6, right? Next point, you already have point, means 1 0. How many times? 6 times. 8 6 ja. Yes, 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 56. We got 56. Now 4 here. We have point, no need to worry. So we will get 0. 8 5 are 40. So we got it. This is our answer. What is the answer? We are getting here 0.375. So this is the answer. We can directly write this one, but question, you have to follow the instruction given in the question. First write in this form, then you write in decimal form. Okay, so first follow the question, read question nicely, and then solve. Now one more question, let us try from here, then we will move to question number 5. Question number 4 subdivision 2. We have here 7 by 80. 7 by 80. What is the first step, my dear? See here, you will write factors of 80. So find out the factor of 80. It will be 2, 42. You will get 22. You will get what? 10, 2. It will be 5, right? 5, 1. Now write down 7. 2 how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write 2 power 4 into 5 into 1 will be 5. Next step, what you will be writing? You have got in this form. Now you write in fraction. How to write in fraction? You will be writing here. How to write fraction? Yes, you will divide 7 by 80. So 7 divide by 80. So what you will get? 0 times, right? So you got 0, 7. Now see, point you have to put. Once after putting point, you are getting 0, but again a small. So you need one more 0. So for that we need to write 1 0 here. So you got 7 or 0 0. How many times now? So 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 40, 8 7 ja 56, 8 8 ja 64. Because 8 9 ja 72 greater. So 8 8 ja 64. Divide, so 6 4 you will get, multiply 8 with 80, 6 4 0. Then subtract 0 minus 0 0. 10 minus 4 6. Then this one you can cancel, 6 0. Then point is there, we will get 0 how many times? 7 times, right? 8 7 ja 56. So 5 6 and 0 is there, I will put 5 6 0. We got here 0 will be 0. 10 minus 6 will be 4 and this will be cancelled, right? Next 0. So you got what? 400. So you know that 8 5 ja 40 and 1 0 already there. We'll get here 5. So we are getting here, you know that if you multiply with 80 into 5, you will get 400. Okay. So your answer will be 0.0875. Okay. This is your answer. Okay, so now we will do 5, but let us do first 6 and 7, then we will do 5 and 8. Okay, so question number 6, they are asking what? Read the question here. P, which rational number are represented? Means it's given in decimal, we have to write in the rational number. You know the condition for P by Q, and where Q not equal to 0. Means we write in this form, P by Q. How to write? Very easy. See here. You will leave this decimal, write all the numbers. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 5. If you want to copy 0 also you can copy, but it does not have any value before number. So we will write 1, 2, 5. Now this point, what you will take? Take it 1. After point, how many digits? Count 1, 2, 3. So how many 0? 1, 2, 3. Now we start cancelling. Cancel with 5. How much you will get? 5 2s are 10. So 12 minus 10 we get 2, 5. So 25. Then here 5 2s are 10. 0 0. Again cancel with 5. So 5 5s are 25. So here what we will get? 5 4s are 24 0. Again 5 1. Here 5 8s are 40. So what is your answer? 1 by 8. You got in P by Q form, yes? Rational number. Now this one, 11.225. So how to change? Again same thing, write all the number except decimal, right? 11.225. Then see here, decimal. What you will take this decimal? Take it 1. After decimal, how many digits? 3. 1 2 3. How many 0? 3. 1 2 3. Now we start cancelling. Cancel with 5 first. How much you are getting? Cancel with 5. So 5 in 5 2s are 10. 2 0 will put 2 0. Here cancel with 5. How much you will get? 5 with 2s are 10. 11 minus 10 1. Again 5 2s are 10. So 12 minus 2. So 5 4s are 20. 22 minus 22. So we will get here 5. 5 5s are 25. Now again cancel with 5 here and here. 5 4s are 20, 0 will put 0. here 5, how many times? 5 4 ja 20. 22 minus 20 we will get 2. 2 5 4 24. Again 5 4 ja 20. So 20 minus 24 we will get 24 minus 20 we will get 4. So 4 5, how much? 5 9 ja 45. So what is your answer? 449 by 40. Check your answer from your book. 449 by 40. Yes, so this is your answer. So now we will move to question number 7. And this is the revision of class 9. Okay, so I hope you already know, but just for revision I am doing this. Now question number 6, number 3 will be your homework. Okay, try at home. It will be your homework. Let us do now question number 7. Again class 9. Already we are done in class 9. Question number 7 1. We have here 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar. How to solve this? So what we do, see 3 bar repeating means it's different from previous question, right? In previous question we don't have any number which repeat. So what we will write here, let x equal to 0.3 bar. Next step what you write, x equal to 0.3 bar. You write so many times, as many times you want to write. So 3 into 3 3 3 3, keep on writing. I will write just 3 times, 3 3 3 dot dot dot, and take it equation 1. Now we will write what? Multiplying both sides of equation 1 by what? What number we will multiply here? So from here we will come to know what number. See, point we'll take 1. After point, how many number? Only one digit is repeating, no? 3 3 3. Since 1 is repeating, we don't have 3 4 3 4 2. So 1 repeating means 1 0. So multiply with 10. Both side to 10 into x. How much? 10x. 10 into, so we will write down here, 10 into 0.333 dot dot dot. Next step we will get 10 here, 10 into x, 10 into x, 10x. We will write 10. If we multiply with 10 into 0.313, will move this side, right? It means before this decimal, so we will get 3.33, and you know that it dot 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 means it keep on repeating again. I will write 3 times and give it equation 2. Next step what we will write? Next step, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract here. So this is our equation 2. I will write down first, because from this we have to subtract equation 1. 3.333 dot dot dot. Then equation 1 just below this, x equal 0.333 dot dot dot. Subtract how much you are getting. 10 minus nothing is 1, 9x equal, you will get 3.000. So we will write 9x equal 3, or next step what we will write, x equal to 3 by 9. Cancel it. How much you are getting? 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, means x is equal to 1 by 9, or you can write 0.3 bar equal to 1 by 9, right? So this is your answer. Okay, see how you will, if you cannot see, check here what we can write. Next step, here it will be what? 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So x 1 by 3. Next step what you will write? You can write at place of x 0.3 bar equal to 1 by 3. So this is your answer, right? Okay, we will move to next question. So 7 other question you can try by yourself. 7, 2 and 3 is same, so you will try at home. Now we will move to question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. We will write all the question first. One, we have 14.23 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, next question we have 2 3.131 0 1 2 1 0 0 1 2 1 0 0 0 1 2 1 dot dot dot, so many numbers. So 3, question number 3 we have what, 8.020567 bar. Then 4 we have 3.125 bar. Okay, here you have to understand how we will solve this. So let us see how to solve. We have 14.231234.5. So whether, okay, so how we will solve it? So first they are asking whether this number is rational or irrational. Yes. So you can write in the form of P by Q. If I will give you any number 5.323, you can change how? You will write number, just the number 533, and point you will take what? 1 and 0, two number 20, right? So that's shortcut method to write in form of P by Q, short way to solve that. So here also we can write in the P by Q. So what will be answer? It will be rational number. Okay, now they are asking whether this will be rational number, whether it will be in the form of 2 power m 5 power n or not. Okay, whether it is in the form of, so there we have to talk about the denominator. Yes, so if there is no bar, what you will write? Try to keep, this is the tips. Okay, this question will be asked for 1 mark. So tips, what is will be tips for this? If there is bar, then you cannot write in the 2 power m 5 power n denominator. But here we don't have bar. So what? Denominator will be in the form of what? Denominator is in the form of what? Is in the form 2 power m into 5 power n, where m and n are positive, non-negative integers. Same thing here. See, 3.13, see, we don't know how many numbers are repeating here, so we cannot write in the form of P by Q. If you cannot write in the form of P by Q, means what? Irrational number. Okay, irrational number. And if irrational number, we don't have to talk about the denominator, because we cannot write in the form of P by Q. What's the use of talking about the denominator? We don't have denominator here. Now see, 8.020567. So you can write in the form of P by Q. Yes, you can solve it. Just now we have solved question number 6. Question number 7, that number 1, 0.3 bar. So same thing here also, 8.020567 bar, and you can write in the form of P by Q. So what will be the answer? Rational number. And what about denominator? Yes, if there is bar, what I said, you cannot write in the denominator in the form of denominator is not in the form 2 power m into 5 power n. What about this question? Same. Yes, we can write in the form by P by Q, because bar, and we have solved already. So it will be what? Rational number. But what about denominator? I said when bar means you cannot write in the form of denominator in the form, this form, right? So we will write denominator, same answer, denominator Then what? Not in the form of what? Not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. So let us move to question number 8, which is quite similar to this question. So we will try now. Exactly same, similar to question number 5. 8 is exactly similar. Okay. So let us try. Number 8. Number 1. 43.4305. Okay, we have here number 2, 43.123 456 789. Next we have number 3, 43, then what? 43.123, then till 9, 4 5 6 7 8 9, and all are repeating. See here, number 4, 27.142 857 bar is on the all number here. See, bar. Now what is the question? What you can say about the prime factorization of denominator of the flowing rational number? What you will say about this denominator? You don't have to talk about now rational, irrational, but you have to talk about the denominator. So what will be denominator here? I said if no bar, here we can write in the form of p by q, so it is a rational number. But they are asking about denominator. So no bar means what? Denominator is in the form of what? Is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. What about this one? Here also no bar is what? Denominator, same answer. Denominator, you will write denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. You mention here where m and n are, where m and n are non-negative integers. Same thing here, see, but bar is there. Once bar is there means what? Denominator, I will write in short, okay? Denominator, I will write symbol here, not equal, then keep slide, not equal. What? 2 power m into 5 power n. Same thing here. A bar is there, so denominator will be not in the form of 2 power, denominator not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. You can write in word also here, denominator is not in the form of 2 power m, 5 power n. Or here also you can mention in word here, denominator is not in the form of 2 power m, 5 power n. So this is the last question from exercise 1E, and we have completed first chapter. Okay, so now next day we will start with the new chapter, that is polynomial. Thank you everyone.